Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you can join me today. I have quite a few items to share today, so let's get started. I'm going to share some new LDRS products. I restocked some Hero Arts. I want to share what's left on the Honeybee. I have the Distress inks, the new color in. I just did a video on this card here using our Warm and Cozy stamp set by Not Too Shabby. So if you want to see this video, I'll have it linked in the description box for you. I have the Distress Inks Rustic Wilderness in the regular and the oxides. Very pretty color, perfect for the holidays. And when this sells out, I will have a second shipment coming in real soon. Quickly, I want to show the LDRS products because these are going fast. Angie Hunt just did a video last night. I just caught it this morning, one of her live crafting videos, and she shared some beautiful cards made with these products, and they are so cute. These holiday gnomes are really, really cute. So these are their pocket pals, and they're little characters, and they're super cute to create with. And there's a die. The A2 stitch layered card toppers, just a perfect staple for your stash. It has stitching on it. The gingerbread cookies, or gingerbread kisses stamp and die. Those cute little characters in all kinds of poses. So adorable. And the gingerbread house is out of stock already. These are their slimline pocket dies. So these make smaller slimline cards, and they're really cute. They go well with their pocket pals, and it's just a fun little size. And this is the basket weave, and then this is the droplets, and this looks really pretty. She does show a sample on this. Really pretty. So that's what's left of my LDRS. For the Hero Arts, I have a couple more of these beautiful stencils. So this one is the Woodland Forest stencil. It goes perfect with the stamps that they came out with. I didn't grab this one last time, but I saw it was in stock this time, so I grabbed it. I think it's so cute. Look at how pretty those deer are. There's a little tree and some mistletoe, and we've got some ornaments and stuff that you can decorate with. There's a little scarf you can put on the deer. And then the sentiments: I love you dearly, you are so dear to me, and happy holidays. And that's the coordinating die. And I think all the stamps go nice together. This is another one that I didn't grab that would go really nice with that stamp set. This is a very large stamp set, so it's like a background builder. I love all these trees, and then there's water. There's a deer in a silhouette, a bunny, a fox. There's a lamp post, some snow. Happy holidays, sending winter wishes, and Merry Christmas for sentiments. You could kind of see a scene that got built right there on the top. Kind of give you an idea, and on the back it tells you suggestions for layering. So really pretty, and there is a die. It does have a die, so to cut out those layers for you and all the parts. And then these have been restocked. So we've got the let's see, what's this one called? The Winter Trees and Animals. So we've got the die back in stock. Love that tree. And then I love how the die cuts out the inside, and this is a very intricate tree. Very pretty. And then this goes very nicely with that stamp set, same illustration. And this is the fuzzy Winter Animals, and I do have the die for that as well. I did grab this background stamp. It looks like it goes really nice with those images. And this is the abstract line cut border prints. So this is really pretty. So it's kind of like abstract. So it could be like rain in the background or trees or whatever. It's just perfect for like behind like your images. You can do it in a soft color to kind of give it like a shadowed look. So that's what I have for Hero Arts. Now Honeybee had a big, huge release. Lots of beautiful stuff. So this is the items that I have left. We've got the Country Christmas Wreath, which is really, really pretty. There's 2 sentiments in there, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. So let me show you what the die looks like for that one. I think it's at the bottom of my pile somewhere. Yes. So I think this one goes very nice with this one here because it comes with this wreath. So it does cut out the little parts, you know, your gingerbread, your hearts, and all these little parts, but it comes with extra. So you do get the wreath to build a beautiful wreath. So I would get both. So that's the Country Christmas Wreath. We've got Joy, so we've got a stamp and a die set with all these nice little sentiments that you can pair up and make your custom sentiment. Then we've got the die Home, which is really nice to go with some of these stamp sets in here, like this fireplace. So that's the fireplace scene builder. We've got the Toy Store House Builder add-on. So this is one of their add-ons for their house builder. And the stamp for the die set is this huge die. So it makes your house into like a Toy Story house. So really fun for the holidays. So you get this entranceway, and there's trees and all kinds of stuff in here to play with. So all the dies are in here to cut out all these parts as well. Really cute. And I really love this die. So this is a birch tree cover plate base, and then this is the top. So you layer these on top, and then you get kind of like a shadow box effect. So I think that's really cool. And then this die here is the barnwood planks, and I love that. So we've got a bunch of barnwood planks, and that is just super cool. It's got all the wood grain on there to create a nice background. Just, I could have fun with that. We've got some very beautiful stencils. So this stencil here goes with that wreath builder. So if you purchase this, this is a great one to pick up as well, because then you can decorate and shade in your little character. So you put the stencil on top of your stamped image here, and then you can color in all your images with distress inks or your inks, and you don't have to do any copic coloring, and you can get some really nice effects that way. Get some different blending techniques. So say you do the gingerbread, you do a light brown, then go around the edges with a darker brown, so then it looks like he's toasted on the outside. And you can do that with all these and create some nice dimension. So that's what these stencils do. So this is for the big pickup cab. So this is for both of them. So if you pick up, let's see, we've got this one, which is the big pickup cab. So it shows the front of the truck. And you can take the stencil, put it on top, and do your ink blending and color it in that way. There is the die for that. And I've seen so many cards with these. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. And I love how big it is. And then there's the back of the truck. So then we've got the big pickup tailgate. And then this one has a die as well. So super, super cute. Oh, I got them mixed up. So this one is the tailgate and that one is the cab. So very, very fun. I love that. Back to the stencils here. So we've got some holly. So really pretty to make a nice background. Then we've got the birch trees. So there's 2 stencils in here. We've got this lantern die. So it's a lantern builder for A2 size card. You can make some really beautiful, beautiful cards with this. You could probably even do a 3D project with this. You know, that would be really cute to make a 3D lantern. Make a little shadow box or something with this. Lots of options. And then this is the B narrow uppercase alpha. So nice size alphabet here. And then there is another alphabet that goes with the truck. And I don't know if I grabbed it, but it's the tall, here it is, tailgate alphabet. So this will fit right in here. So you can put a sentiment, a custom sentiment in there. And then we've got this nice die. This is the plaid A7 cover plate. So this is for an A7 card. So you've got the 2 layers to make a nice plaid. There's a snow globe die. So this is A2 shaker snow globe. So you make a shaker card with this. You can make a really fun card with that. Put some characters in there. This tree would be really pretty inside there. This is the Farmhouse Tree Builder stamp set and die. So this is really pretty. So it's a layering stamps, and then this one could be your little twinkles on top of your tree, and look at all those cute little ornaments and bows and presents, stockings. Just very, very cute. Ooh, there's an angel to put on top of your tree. And then there is that die. And then we've got the barnwood background stamp. So I love this farmhouse look. Here's a character stamp set, Woodland Winter Animals. Super cute, fun, and then there's birch trees in there. And then I do have the die for that one. And a really beautiful stamp set. This is the Pretty Poinsettias. Love it. And then there's some pine cones, clusters, some bows. We've got peace on earth, happy holidays, season's greetings. May your days be merry and bright for your sentiments. And then there's a nice die that you can pick up to cut out all these parts. Yep, and they even cut out the sentiments. And then another character stamp set. We've got Santa's Village. So cute. We've got the Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus, the elves, and the snowman. And we have some hills, and you can build a little scene with the houses and the trees. Lots of fun stuff in here. And then your coordinating die set. And then we've got a nice slimline card die. Looks perfect for the holidays. This one is called Mistletoe Slimline Cover Plate. And then we've got this slimline stencil here to create some mistletoes and berries. You could use that with this. It would be perfect to shade in some of those little berries. And then the paper pads, I am almost out of stock. I have 1 left of this Farm Fresh Holiday and 2 left of the Happy Cheer paper pads. Really pretty. So I'll have all the links in the description box for you to check out all these new goodies. You can use the coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. And I'm right now free shipping with $45. So you always get a free gift with 60, and right now I do have a special gift for you when you do spend $100. You'll see it pop into your cart. Thanks guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!